Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove a stuck or broken ABS wheel speed sensor on your car. On this car, in order to get good access to the wheel speed sensor, we need to remove the brake caliper and the brake disc, also the heat shield behind the brake disc, and then we'll have good access. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Here we can see where the ABS sensor is showing just the wheel bearing, and it's reading from the wheel bearing, but we're going to remove the heat shield in order to get access from top. So now we have access to the wheel speed sensor, but in my case the speed sensor is stuck. I'm going to first try to take it out with a screwdriver, maybe hammer it a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. Sometimes if the wheel speed sensors are not very stuck, you might take it out that way without breaking it, but sometimes it just breaks and then you need to replace it. In my case, the wheel speed sensor started to break, so I might just take it out and then start moving it another way. Yep, the top part of the ABS sensor is out, but the bottom is stuck in the hole. First, I'm going to try to hammer it in to see if it will move at all, but if it doesn't work, then I have to drill. Hammering it in isn't working, so I'm going to have to drill. We'll start drilling it first in the middle of the sensor, and then we're going to have to widen the hole so that it starts to come out eventually. I think we might be done with the drilling. We'll see how it is now on the bottom side. I think we only need to push it up with a screwdriver and it will go out. And yes, the bottom piece of the ABS sensor is out. Now we can clean the hole and put on the new ABS sensor and then assemble everything in the reverse order.